Assault rifles. Assault rifles are the standard-issue firearms carried by most modern infantry forces. They are designed to balance power, accuracy, and versatility, typically firing intermediate cartridges that allow soldiers to engage targets at both close and medium range. Weapons like the AK-47 and M4 have become widely recognized due to their extensive use across different regions and conflicts. What makes assault rifles unique is their selective fire capability, meaning they can switch between semi-automatic and automatic modes depending on the situation. This flexibility allows soldiers to conserve ammunition or deliver rapid fire when needed. Over time, these rifles have evolved with lighter materials, improved ergonomics, and modular attachments such as scopes, grips, and suppressors. Their reliability in harsh environments, from deserts to jungles, has made them essential tools in modern warfare. Beyond the battlefield, their widespread production and distribution have also influenced global security dynamics, making them one of the most recognized and impactful military weapons used today. Sniper rifles. Sniper rifles are precision weapons, built for long-range accuracy and controlled, deliberate shooting. Unlike standard infantry rifles, they are designed to hit targets at distances that often exceed several hundred meters, sometimes reaching over a kilometer in skilled hands. These rifles are typically bolt-action or semi-automatic and are paired with high-powered optical scopes that allow snipers to observe and engage targets with extreme precision. The role of a sniper goes beyond firing a weapon, often involving reconnaissance, surveillance, and intelligence gathering. Sniper rifles are engineered with heavier barrels and specialized ammunition to maintain stability and accuracy over long distances. Environmental factors such as wind, temperature, and elevation must be carefully considered with each shot, making their use both a science and a skill. In modern warfare, sniper rifles are valued for their ability to neutralize high-value targets without revealing the shooter's position, providing a strategic advantage in both conventional and asymmetric conflicts. Machine guns. Machine guns are automatic firearms designed to deliver sustained, high-volume fire over extended periods. They are typically used to suppress enemy movement, provide covering fire, and control key areas of the battlefield. Unlike assault rifles, machine guns are built with heavier components to withstand continuous firing and often use belt-fed ammunition systems that allow for longer firing sequences without frequent reloading. These weapons can be mounted on tripods, vehicles, or aircraft, depending on their size and intended role. Light machine guns are carried by individual soldiers, while heavy machine guns are usually operated by teams due to their weight and recoil. Cooling systems, such as air or quick-change barrels, are essential to prevent overheating during prolonged use. Machine guns have been a defining element of modern warfare since the early 20th century, shaping tactics and battlefield formations. Their ability to dominate open areas and provide suppressive fire continues to make them a cornerstone of military operations today. Rocket launchers. Rocket launchers are portable weapons designed to fire explosive projectiles capable of destroying armored vehicles, fortifications, and other hardened targets. These systems are typically shoulder-fired, allowing individual soldiers to carry and deploy them in a wide range of combat environments. Unlike conventional firearms, rocket launchers use rockets with their own propulsion systems, which continue to accelerate after leaving the launcher. This design allows them to deliver significant destructive power over short to medium distances. Many rocket launchers are equipped with shaped charges that focus explosive energy to penetrate thick armor, making them especially effective against tanks. Some models are reusable, while others are single-use disposable systems designed for convenience and mobility. Rocket launchers have become essential in modern infantry tactics, particularly in urban warfare, where heavy vehicles may be difficult to maneuver. Their presence on the battlefield provides infantry units with the capability to counter heavily armored threats without relying on larger support systems. Handguns. Handguns are compact firearms designed for close-range defense and personal protection. They are typically carried as secondary weapons by soldiers, officers, and support personnel who may not rely on larger firearms as their primary tool. Most modern handguns are semi-automatic pistols, using magazines to feed ammunition and allowing for relatively quick follow-up shots. While they lack the range and stopping power of rifles, their small size and ease of handling make them highly practical in confined spaces such as buildings, vehicles, or tight urban environments. Handguns are also valued for their reliability and simplicity, often functioning effectively with minimal maintenance. In military contexts, they serve as backup weapons when primary systems are unavailable or impractical. Their design has evolved over time to include improved safety mechanisms, ergonomic grips, and accessory rails for lights or lasers. Despite their limited role compared to larger weapons, handguns remain an essential part of a soldier's equipment due to their accessibility and adaptability. Grenades. Grenades are small explosive devices designed to be thrown by hand, allowing soldiers to attack enemies from a distance without direct line-of-sight engagement. They are commonly used in close-quarters combat, particularly in urban environments or enclosed spaces such as bunkers and trenches. Fragmentation grenades, the most widely used type, disperse high-speed metal fragments upon detonation, causing damage over a defined radius. Other variations include smoke grenades for concealment, flashbangs for disorientation, and incendiary grenades for starting fires. Grenades are typically activated by removing a safety pin and releasing a lever, which triggers a timed fuse before detonation. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them a versatile tool in modern warfare. Soldiers often rely on grenades to clear rooms, disrupt enemy positions, or create opportunities for movement. Although small in size, their impact on the battlefield can be significant, especially when used in coordinated tactics with other weapons systems.
Missiles. Missiles are guided weapons designed to deliver explosive payloads with high precision over long distances. Unlike unguided rockets, missiles are equipped with guidance systems that allow them to adjust their trajectory during flight, increasing accuracy against moving or distant targets. They can be launched from land, sea, or air platforms, making them one of the most flexible weapon systems in modern military arsenals. Different types of missiles serve different purposes, including anti-aircraft, anti-ship, and surface-to-surface roles. Advanced guidance technologies such as infrared tracking, radar homing, and GPS navigation enable missiles to strike targets with remarkable accuracy. Their range can vary from a few kilometers to thousands, depending on the system. Missiles play a crucial role in both offensive and defensive operations, allowing forces to engage threats without direct confrontation. Their development has significantly influenced modern warfare, shifting the focus toward precision strikes and long-range engagement. Military drones. Military drones are unmanned aerial systems used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and combat operations. These aircraft are operated remotely or autonomously, allowing missions to be carried out without putting pilots at risk. Drones vary widely in size and capability, from small handheld units used by ground troops to large, long-endurance systems capable of carrying missiles and bombs. One of their key advantages is the ability to remain airborne for extended periods, providing continuous observation of a target area. Equipped with cameras, sensors, and sometimes weapons, drones can gather intelligence and conduct precision strikes when necessary. Their use has expanded rapidly in recent years, becoming a central element of modern military strategy. Drones are especially effective in environments where traditional aircraft may be too costly or vulnerable. By combining surveillance and strike capabilities in a single platform, they have changed how conflicts are monitored and fought. Tanks. Tanks are heavily armored combat vehicles designed to operate on the front lines of ground warfare. They combine firepower, protection, and mobility, making them one of the most formidable weapon systems in modern armies. Equipped with large-caliber cannons and secondary machine guns, tanks can engage both armored and unarmored targets across varying distances. Their thick armor provides protection against small arms, fire, shrapnel, and even some anti-tank weapons. Modern tanks are also equipped with advanced targeting systems, thermal imaging, and communication equipment, allowing them to operate effectively in complex environments. Despite their size and weight, they are built to move across difficult terrain, from open fields to urban landscapes. Tanks have played a significant role in shaping warfare since their introduction in the early 20th century, and they continue to evolve with new technologies such as active protection systems. Their presence on the battlefield represents both power and resilience, often serving as the backbone of armored units.